Hello and welcome to Priyam Guruji. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Edge browser so that you can read your paper or any article in this manner. Because from previous years, past 2 years, means number of things has been drastically changed. So what you want to do, you have to read all your related articles or papers in your system as well. So the best part that I have found inside this Microsoft Edge browser, this allows you to go through your paper and make things very much clear as you are doing with your physical pen and paper. Suppose anything that is very important from your point and you want to highlight it, then what you can do, you can make such type of highlights using this browser. What you need to do, you need to just click this highlight button, and whatever the portion of your important point, you can highlight them. And you can also change this highlight color. Suppose anything that is very important and that needs to be highlighted with a different color so that you can recognize that fact easily, so you can change your color and you can do it with the another color. So this is one feature of this. Meanwhile, this Edge browser also allows you to write something. Suppose you got something important or that is very much important to you, so you can write down there as well. You can write down using this pencil, just like this. So you can do in this way, or what else you can do, you can click this add text button. So this will allows you, a text box will be there, so that will allow you to write there any comment or any concept that you have understood from uh, while reading this complete article, then you can easily write down there. So all these facilities are available, and that will help you to go through the complete paper as you are going with the physical one. So you can highlight, add your comments, draw something, write something. This will become easy for you to understand and read this paper, because if such type of things will not be there, then it will be very much tedious for you to recall all these memories. So basically what you guys used to do, suppose you are going to read a paper, then you take a printout, physical printout of it, and marks the important thing. In the same way you can do here also. And one thing I would like to clear, suppose I'm going to highlight it in this paper, so I need to do in this manner. The thing is that this paper has been converted from a picture format, that is JPEG format, to a PDF one. But those type of papers which are directly written in MS Word or any editor, so such type of files will have a different output, or you can say the highlighting way of those papers a little bit different, and that will be very much fruitful and systematic. So I'm going to show you and open such file in which these text files or articles are already in DOC or PDF format. They have not been converted from PDF file to another one, PDF file from JPG format basically. So what I'm going to do, you see, this is another paper, a research paper, which is basically written in Word or any editor, and this is the original PDF file document. So here you need not to click this highlight button. You will be allowed to select your text, just like I am selecting here. So what you can do, you can select your important or that text that you want to marked up there and left the cursor, then it will allows you number of options, just like highlighting in the previous way. So the difference that I want to tell you is that only those PDF files which have been converted into PDF originally they were in certain JPG or picture format, so they will not be giving you this feature of selecting the text because they were originally pictures and have been converted into PDFs. But those files which are particularly written in PDF format, so they will having this selection feature, so you can select the text and do accordingly. So generally those papers are quite easy to handle, and suppose certain meaning or certain word is not very much clear to you, or you want to see the meaning of that particular word, so then in this format you can select that, and there is button called define. So using this define button, so this will be your definition for that particular word. So this is the best part of understanding the whole paper, and this Edge browser allows you to do a number of other features also there. You can use this easily. Suppose I have shown you such type of things. Suppose I generally use this blue color to highlight the text, that is the title or author's name, and important things is in green, or any equation in this screen. So such kind of modifications you all can do, and this will be very much fruitful to you go through the paper in online mode without taking the exact physical copy of the that paper. So that's all. This is the Edge browser, so that you can use to go through any article. And some people will not be using this Edge browser as a default to read the papers. So what they can do, suppose they want to open any PDF file, so instead they might having any other third party app which will be providing to access those PDFs. So if they want to open in Edge browser, what they can do, they can press simply right click, and with this right click option they will be having as open with. So open with this Edge browser, and your article will be opened in this Edge, and now all the things you can do. So with this, I think sufficient information is given to you, and you can explore this Edge browser, because it will become very much easy to use, and also read the papers in online way. So with this, I'm going to end this video. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video as well.